Scientists estimate that more than 90% of marine species have yet to be classified, while 95% of the ocean remains completely unexplored. Deep-sea ecosystems are undoubtedly among the least known environments on Earth. We know that their health is essential for planetary balance and for our own survival. This is why the European Union has implemented policies such as the Biodiversity Strategy for 2030 and the Marine Strategy Framework Directive, both aimed at the conservation and protection of these environments. It is within this framework that the Redress project takes place. The deep sea is the most extensive habitat on our planet, supporting surprisingly high biodiversity. However, vast areas of deep-sea habitats remain unexplored due to the technical challenges and limitations of working hundreds or even thousands of meters below the ocean's surface. To bridge this knowledge gap, exploration is essential and often leads to remarkable discoveries. Recently, scientists from the University of Haifa and the Israel Oceanographic and Limnological Research Institute discovered an extraordinary gas and brine seepage site in the deep-sea waters off the coast of Israel. This discovery led to the establishment of the region's first protected area. The site is home to remarkable communities of tube worms, mussels, and deep-sea sharks. Due to its extraordinary biodiversity, this area has been selected as part of the Redress project to test various solutions for preserving and restoring such habitats. Anthropogenic impacts on the deep sea have direct effects on fishing activities. Understanding and studying these habitats is essential for the effective management of fishery resources. The University of Gothenburg, Sweden, is conducting research on the Norway lobster, a commercially valuable species for European fisheries. Scientists are using environmental DNA technologies to detect the presence of this lobster in specific deep-sea habitats and to quantify its biomass. The aims are to improve the management of its fisheries and to support restoration interventions. Cold water coral reefs and coral gardens are among the most important deep-sea habitats, hosting extraordinary biodiversity. The Redress project focuses on these habitats, which have great potential to contribute to carbon sequestration and climate mitigation. They also play a crucial role as refuges, nurseries, and feeding grounds for many species. Due to the long-lived and slow-growing nature of cold water coral reefs and gardens, the impacts of human activities can have long-lasting effects. Conservation alone is not enough. Active restoration is urgently needed to enhance and accelerate the recovery of degraded habitats. The project's intervention areas span from canyons to seamounts across European seas, from Iceland to the Azores in the Atlantic, and throughout the Mediterranean basin. All sites have been selected for their ecological importance, as they host vulnerable marine ecosystems, yet they experience varying levels of protection and anthropogenic impact. This strategy allows the Redress project to compare the effectiveness of restoration efforts and replicate the same approach across different environmental conditions, both with and without regulatory restrictions. By integrating new technologies with the most successful protocols, the Redress project will ensure the effective restoration of various deep-sea habitats. The project will enable a significant upscale of current restoration efforts and provide novel insights to support the long-term recovery of deep-sea habitats. The Redress Consortium benefits from extensive multi-level experience gained through ongoing experiments. This expertise will guide the selection of the most effective and innovative technical and logistical solutions, helping to minimize constraints and potential barriers to successful restoration.